Hello friends, hello my wonderful humans. My name is Anna and I'm your shuffle dance teacher. I've been shuffle dancing for almost 2 years now. I traveled the world. I held shuffle dance classes in South Florida, and I have my own YouTube channel where I teach you how to shuffle dance and be the best version of yourself. Check out my 30-day shuffle dance workout series on my YouTube channel. Now, welcome back to the third episode of the basic shuffle dance steps that I do especially for the Elements channel. Today's moves are the T-step and the travel rocking. Let's go! Alright, so first move, T-step. It goes like this. First, let's remember how we were pivoting our feet yesterday. Let me grab you and show you from the top. So we're gonna be switching our legs. So we're gonna be doing pivoting on one foot, 1 and 2, and so again, and is toes are touching, 1 is heels are touching. So what we're doing and 1 and 2 and 3 again and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and toes are inside, 1 and 2 and 3. All right, and then we switch. So once you get the pivoting of the standing foot down, then we attach our T-step, which is basically if we are moving to the right, so it's gonna be the right leg that we are kicking outside. So it's gonna be and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the same principle works if we're moving to the left. We're going and toes are pointing inside and it's open, we're kicking our left leg out, the heel is inside, and everything together, 1 and 2 and 3. So for this move, it's very important watching your balance. It's the trickiest thing because you just gotta balance your leg a little bit with putting your body to the side as well. So let's see it from the back. We're doing and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's see it to the left. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you might be questioning, how do I pivot that leg if I'm standing on it? So first, remember, as in the lesson 1, I was talking about this micro bounce. So basically it can always be a jump. You can pivot it through a jump, or when your leg is like that, opened, heel is inside, and you need to pivot the toes into the side, you're gonna move your weight into the heel of your foot. You see, you're gonna pivot, you're gonna move all the way to the heel so that you can lift your toes, and then you can actually lift it, twist it, and put it down. So it's, you see, boom. And then the same, if you need to move your heel inwards, you're gonna put more of the weight onto your toes so that you can lift your heel, and then you do this. So it's basically like you're like this, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. All right, let's look again from the back. We're going to the right side, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Going to the left, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, this is all for the T step. Now that we are already on the lesson 3, you can already go ahead and put all the moves together. You remember the running man that can go into the crisscross, that can go into the T step, and again going to the running man, going to the crisscross and T step, which is super easy. All right, if you haven't gotten this move quite yet, please go back and rewatch it from the beginning. It's super easy. You just have to get that move off your foot, which is like, you know, it's just the question of where your weight is. So you just have to control it. The whole shuffle dance thing is about controlling your body. Why I love shuffle dancing so much is because it requires so much more. It requires so much, I mean, like every other dance, it requires a lot of physical, you know, you gotta be physically prepared to do this. It requires the work of your whole body, not just your legs. That's why I find it amazing. All right, the last move for today is gonna be travel rocking. I just wanted to throw it in here because I think I found a very easy, like super easy way to learn how to travel rock. And it's basically a variation of the T step. So why not put it all in the same lesson and make it easier for everybody? Because I think a lot of lessons are just super confusing. Okay, so travel rocking looks like this. So I know it looks kind of complicated and is a traveling move, so you're gonna be traveling around the dance floor, but for now we're just gonna take it easy. So what I want you to do first is I want you to stand on your left leg, and we're just gonna be doing this micro jumping on your standing leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then so we're gonna do 4 counts on our jumping on our left leg, and then 4 counts jumping on our right leg. So we're just gonna switch. So let's go ahead and do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You hear? Pay attention that I'm doing this micro jumps. I'm not doing just 4 jumps. I'm doing 8 on every leg. I'm doing and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Total is 8. So now we're gonna be doing the same thing, but on every move, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. The leg that you don't stand on, we're gonna bounce down. We're just gonna do this little kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. That's all I want us to do. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super easy, guys. This is just a question of coordination. If you didn't get it, pause it, do it again. It's the same like doing this, you know, doing circles on your stomach and hitting your head, and the same way. You saw it was almost like, it's all about paying attention and intentionally doing your moves. So you know what I want you to do. Do exactly as I tell you. Command your body, be in charge. All right, for those of you who got this already, we are advancing now. Instead of just kicking this leg down, we're gonna do the following. We're gonna kick it 1 time to the back, 2nd time to the side, 3rd time to the front, and then we're gonna step on it. So it's gonna be like this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here we are already ready to do the same thing to our left leg. And 1 to the back and 2 to the side and 3 to the front and step on it. And let's look slowly how it's gonna be from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so what I want to invite you to do now is when you do this micro bouncing, micro jumps on your standing leg, is to move a little bit to the side. So if you're standing on your left leg and you're kicking with your right, you're gonna be moving to the right side. Make sense? I think it does. We're almost there. Okay, what I forgot to say in 2 other lessons is that when you practice dancing, when you exercise, especially if you're exercising outside and it is very hot, shuffle dancing is such a cardio-based dance that you need to have your water. Your water is your best friend. I always say it on all of my videos. In my shuffle workout series also, we always know that water is our best friend. Water, sleep, and exercise is everything you need to feel energy and feel power. All right. Mini jumps on our left leg, and we are adding to the moving to the side. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last very mini thing that is just gonna make all the difference in the world. Instead of this basic jump that we're doing, just jumping on our flat foot, maybe you already noticed I'm pivoting the foot like I showed you before, and toes are in, 1, heels are in. So instead of just jumping on your foot like this, you can be jumping and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it is the variation, it is not mandatory, it is just how I do it. It is what allows me to travel more along the dance floor, and I invite you to try it as well. Okay, let's put it all together. Let's do this whole thing together. Watch me from the back. Let's go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. And that is how you travel rock. All right, friends, I hope you had fun with me during this 3 shuffle dance step lessons for the Elements channel. Please don't be shy. Give me a follow on my YouTube channel, which is Anastasiia Kirilik. I'm gonna teach you beautiful choreographies. You can have a look at my ultimate shuffle dance moves tutorial that contains all of the steps you need to have your shuffle dancing at the top level. A lot of good vibes, a lot of traveling, and a lot of funny stuff. Follow my YouTube, follow my Instagram, and my TikTok. Love you all. Hope you had a best time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!